Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Flood Escape on Roblox. Like and subscribe to my channel for more Flood Escape. Basically, Flood Escape is a game on Roblox that basically there's obviously a flood and you have to escape from the flood. I'll show you this in the game. But first, let's just spectate to give you a heads up. He did. You see, there's basically a flood and you have to escape from it. Oh, the game has ended. I've been practicing this game. It was a really cool game I found on Roblox. I'm really glad I found it. I've been practicing. I only have 2 wins so far. Hoping I get like more. Also guys, I've been thinking about to put this in a Let's Play. So if we could get 20 likes, I might put this into a Let's Play. Might. Not win, but might. I might. Can't remember. In this area, you're safe, but you have to keep escaping. You can't just stay in there and expect that you are supposed to be safe. You are not safe. I mean, last round, if you came in there, you are safe, but the next round, you're not. The game has ended, guys. Box truck. This one is pretty easy. Terra Power, I played it before. I played it before on my other account, which got hacked. And I really hated that it got hacked. Well, I don't have evidence that it's hacked. I just think it's hacked. Yeah, guys. I really like playing this game on my other account, but it got hacked. Well, I don't even have evidence. But yeah, I'm gonna still be playing on my other account. Also, guys, I'm gonna be changing my YouTube name to Classical Codes. Not, and there's gonna be no more Magic Biscuit Sky. I'm gonna change my YouTube name into Classical Codes. Or modes. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys later. Like and subscribe. It always puts a smile on my face, guys. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later.